I'm watching Sweet Life on Deck. Honestly, a good show. Hi guys, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys my room tour with my giant arms. I haven't done one of these in a while, and I genuinely like these videos. I think they're really fun. I changed up my room a little bit, so it's a little bit different, and I genuinely like watching these because I like getting inspiration. My room's pretty small. It's literally just a box. Like, there's no cool like architecture thing. So I definitely have to get creative, and I love decorating my room because I'm in here all the time. But yeah, I'll try to make sure I say where everything's from if I can find it. Some of the things, well, a lot of the things I feel like I've had for so long that I just don't remember where it's from. But yeah, make sure to subscribe to this channel and also follow me on Instagram. I love Instagram. It'll be linked down below. And yeah, let's take a tour, shall we? We shall. Okay, I actually have to put this down. Okay. The quality of the audio probably doesn't sound the greatest because I took my microphone off just because it's easier, but I'm gonna give you guys an overview first. I really don't want you guys to get dizzy because I tend to, but here is an overview of my room. As you can tell, it's quite small, but I think it's just enough size for one person. Hello. And I try to keep it as like clutter free. Obviously I live here, so like there's gonna be things out, but I do like to keep it like as clean looking as possible. It gets dirty pretty fast because I'm disgusting, but I'm gonna show you guys. Okay, so let's start off at my door. Oh my gosh, I feel like I'm like so not used to these videos. Beautiful door. It's a door. Exciting stuff. I do keep like all my bags on here. I really need to find a better system for this because like they're hanging on by a thread. And I also have this crucifix up here that I've had since I was like a baby, and I plan on passing down to my children. It's so cute. Okay, this is probably my favorite part of my room. I recently did this collage board. I used to have an actual cork board up here, but I was like, why not just do something different? So here's what it is, and then this is my desk, and then my dresser here. This wall has just a bunch of stuff on it. I'm not even gonna go through it. I'm just gonna let you look. A lot of cool stuff on here. There is a lot of Audrey Hepburn stuff because I have a book with a bunch of photos in it, and I thought, why look at the pages once a year in the book when I can look at it every day on my wall? So there are some like more sentimental things up here, and then there are more just like aesthetic or like cute things up here. So yeah, I think it definitely is very much like my personality, and it has a lot of things that mean a lot to me. So yeah, I think it's cute. And then here is my desk. I'm pretty sure we got this desk off of Craigslist. It's from IKEA though, but it's like a pretty plain desk. This chair is from Amazon. This used to be super cluttered, but I decided to just streamline it. This was from literally the 6th grade. It's my makeup mirror. And then that lamp is from Target. And then down here, there used to be a lot of more clutter with baskets, but I moved those, some plants, because I didn't even know what to do with them. And then in here, it's like all my like makeup and like extra storage kind of stuff. Over here, this dresser was made by my grandfather, so I've literally had it for forever. My sewing machine is down there because it used to be right here, but it was just way too cluttered. But this is my dresser. It's kind of messy. I tried to like, if I can open it, I tried to like organize it. So like pants, it like never shuts. I have way too many clothes in here. And like I tried folding these, but like, I don't know. Up here, this painting, my brother, if you guys didn't know, I have a twin brother, and he is an artist, and he painted this, and he actually said he hated it. He's like, I'm gonna throw it out, do you want it? And I was like, yeah, it's so pretty. So I have that. check him out, Colin_cake on Instagram. And then I have this, it's a little cluttered, but like I didn't know what to do with these things. I'm using this now, but I have like jewelry in here, a mini sombrero, perfume, and then my hair scarves and like sunglasses and some hair stuff. I don't know. I don't really have a place for any of these things, so that's why it's right here. I have some jewelry and some cute baby relatives. And then here is my hanging plant. I love this. It adds such greenery. You'll actually see I had produced these plants from cuttings of that plant. So it's kind of dying because I haven't watered it, but that's pretty cool. Window here. I love these lights that I added. It's so pretty at night just because it has just like a nice warm lighting and it connects over here so it looks like it's glowing. But yeah, these are such a good addition just because it just, I don't know, who is outside running? My view is literally just trees. And then over here, this is my bed. I didn't really make it that well just because I was literally about to get in it again. The bedding is from Amazon. It's a pretty classic bedding. I feel like a lot of people have it. And then all of this is from Target. I mean, all of this is from Amazon as well. I've had this for forever. And then I have a little shelf. That shelf is actually from Marshall's. And then those plants are from IKEA. And then this, oh my gosh. Colin, again, my twin brother made in ceramics. I'm trying to like focus it, but it's blurry. But it's like a little bear. And then I have JC. This headboard was actually my parents'. My grandfather made it as well, and I painted it white. I feel like it would look nice black. Like one thing that I was thinking about doing was painting the windows black, like all of the lining and stuff. Let me know if you think that'd be cute, like a black window and then like black, I don't know what I'm saying. And then these paintings, I just switched these out. That's Audrey Hepburn right there. These are so cute and I don't know, I just love them. On the side of my bed, there's a piece of duct tape on the floor, I guess. This was my brother's when he was younger and I painted it white and I added this contact paper like a year ago. I have my tea, my sunrise alarm clock, love it. Vaseline for my lips. These plants, they're kind of dying. I need to like take better care of them, but these were both made from trimmings. You put them in water and then you plant them and it literally turns into a plant. And this is a peace lily. This one needs so much water, it's kind of ridiculous. This is my closet right here. It's very small. I'm not even gonna open it because my shoes are like literally up to here and it will like explode everywhere. So yeah, that's my closet though. Those shoes, these are my house shoes. These beautiful green Crocs. I know you love them. Here's my shelf. I love this little section of my room. I feel like sometimes it changes, but I have this mirror. I have this mirror from IKEA. I got this maybe 2 years ago, but I like it. I actually lost the stuff to mount it on the wall and I feel kind of bad about that, so it's not mounted on the wall, which I feel like it would look so much better, but whatever. But I actually have some stickers and stuff on the side. This is actually a calendar my church gave us. It says the name on it, so I'm gonna put it a little bit far, but it's cute. And then this right here, this is where I keep all my hair stuff because I usually will do my hair right here, and this is kind of like my final step of my routine, so that's why it's all kind of just chilling here. And then my bookshelf here, these are some of my books, beautiful, love it. And then we have some more books down here, and then this beautiful setup right here. And then guess what? We go back to my door. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. That is my room. I feel like obviously I can't show you anything else because that's literally just my room. The wind is really loud. Thank you guys so much for watching, and make sure to subscribe to my channel and let me know in the comments down below like what your favorite part of my room is. Is it the wall? Is it the lights? And like what would you want to do in your room the same? Alright, I'll see you guys next time. Don't be sad. Bye.